If you want to remove wallpapers from your iPhone 17, here's what you need to do. So first we need to go to the lock screen, and you want to touch and hold your finger on an empty area. And you might see unlock to edit, but in this case you want to do exactly the same thing. Essentially you want to keep touching until the screen passcode appears. There we go. I'm not sure why it doesn't show up immediately, but unfortunately it is what it is. So once you find your wallpapers, you can just scroll them up like this in order to reveal the trash icon, so you can tap on it in order to delete the wallpaper. There we go. And we can keep doing this all the time until you get rid of every wallpaper set that you don't want to have anymore. And after that you can go back to your wallpaper that you used. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.